to the channel, guys. Today we're going to be working on the 330. I'm going to go out and see if I can find some new tires. If you guys remember when I got this car was crashed. I fixed it up and I've been recently dailying it every single day, so I've been driving it and I know that the tires are real bad. We're going to look for some new tires today, see who's got a good deal on them. But let me show you the tires I got here right now. So these aren't the wheels that came with the car. I ended up picking up these wheels after. They had different wheels on it at first, but these wheels came with these tires. But the tires are really bad, as you can see. They're really dry, and I don't want to get stuck or stranded in the middle of nowhere at the wrong time. So we're gonna go out there today. We're gonna see if we can find some new tires for a good price. We're gonna hit up a couple spots and see what they have. So we'll get to it. Let's go in. You guys can see the car definitely needs an alignment, so once we get these tires replaced, we'll probably get it aligned. Not sure if we're gonna do it today or we might do it tomorrow, but we'll get to it. All right, guys, if you can see right there, steering wheel is a little bit off. It's off alignment, so we're gonna get this aligned after we get the tires. I'm not sure if we'll get aligned today. We'll do it tomorrow, but definitely on the to-do list. Honestly, even though the car steering wheel is kind of off, it pulls real straight. It's just when it hits the bumps, it tends to want to pull to the sides a bit. But for sure, this car right here, 3.0, is where the power is at. If you got a 328 or a 325, nah, it's the 3.0, bro. That's the fast one. This car's been really good. Been driving it every day, dailying it. It's got the sport mode and the manual mode, so pretty good car. This guy was a master fabricator. He made the guns out of some wrenches, pipe, a little bit of tow hooks right there. He knew what he was doing. Yeah, guys, you see, that was completely ready to go. You guys can see the tires were really bad already. This one was ready. Definitely a lot straighter. Doesn't pull. The alignment's still off, but the wheels feel way better. We're not feeling every weird little bump on the road no more. Bumpy road here, we can put the wheels to the test, but so far good. Besides needing a little alignment and me needing a little bit of coolant in my car, we are good here. I'm gonna take it for a little drive for a little while, wear off that sticker on the wheels, and get something to munch on. Right, guys, so we pulled up here at the park today, get some lunch right here. Check out the tires. These are the new tires. Been driving around trying to get the sticker off of them, so it looks pretty good now. Just gonna sit down and have some lunch. So drop a like, subscribe to the channel, and we'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.